Respected coordinators and dear brothers and sisters, a very warm good morning to everyone. Present here, it's me Sakshyam Sen from grade 3. Today I am going to give a short presentation on the topic my favorite sports. My favorite sport is football. Football is a very exciting game. It is played with ball and two teams. There are 11 players in each team. Each team tries to score points. I like football because it is fun and fast. It helps me to improve my teamwork skills. I have lot of fun playing football with my friends, running, passing and kicking the ball. My favorite part of football is scoring a goal. It makes me feel happy and proud. Football is a sport that I will always love to play. Thank you.
Thanks, sir.